Yep, the springs are on. We are almost done with the full system.
Street dogs, what if they start chasing me? I'm sure they will start chasing me everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are back at the store to get the full system exhaust fit. We quickly removed the fairings and we can see the stock headers. The O2 sensors are still in place. We'll also get them removed. So first what we are going to do is get the exhaust fit. That is get our M4 full system exhaust in place to get the measurements right. And we get started with removing the headers. It's a bit of a work because you need to try to pull the nuts out, loosen them from the sides. But yeah, since they do it very professionally, it's not a problem. It's very easy for them. And we're almost done with loosening the headers and off they come. It's pretty heavy, so you better have a support underneath so that you don't bang the headers. So those are the grooves in place, and these are our stock headers. So you can see a slightly blue shade at the start of the headers, that is the section where they connect to the engine. But again, since they are stainless steel, there's only a slight blue shade because of the heat and not like the titanium ones. And this is the first O2 section, and the second one is almost around the catalytic converter itself. So on the stock you get it already in place, and here it is. It's a little heavy. So that is the second O2 sensor fitting, and that's our muffler. So we have finally fit two of the pipes. We are trying to get them in place one by one, slowly, just to get the measurements right. So once all the four headers are fit, this is how they look. We'll quickly get our link pipe, that is the collector pipe, fit. All the headers are in place and tight. There are a few springs that go as well, but we'll get the springs on once the provision is made. So this is just for measurement, and this is how the full system looks once it's fit. So we're trying to see where we can get the provision, because the second O2 sensor is slightly inside on the inner part, and the cables have to be rerouted, the O2 sensor cables, and we are seeing where we can fit them.
1 hour later.
Now after almost an hour's wait, the guy from the store finally got the provision made for the second O2 sensor. So they had an Akrapovich nut from a previously installed full system exhaust, so they just got it welded onto the collector pipe. So you can see it's perfectly fitting. They're trying to get the O2 sensor in place and see if that fits fine. There shouldn't be a problem. It's welded pretty well, and the cables were again rerouted, like I said, to adjust the length of the O2 sensor and not make it too tight. We are also getting this side rails off because there's only one onto the right. Oh, and yep, the springs are on. We are almost done with the full system. There are a set of 5 springs, 2 on each side, and there's another spring that goes under the slip-on and the collector pipe. So you can see that here. So it is just to hold them in place tightly. The fitting is done, and now it's time for the most awaited part. Let's hear how the M4 GP19 full system exhaust sounds. And here's the first start. Brace yourselves. So what they're trying to do here is to check if there are any leaks, and there doesn't seem to be one. And whoa, it's too loud. It's very bassy. Now that the full system exhaust is in place, we're going to replace the stock air filter with the BMC ones. And here is the BMC air filter going in the airbox right on top. Fits easily. There's nothing much to do there. Just tighten the screw and we are done.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Whoa! Holy moly! The M4 full system exhaust. Insane. Holy, that's too loud, oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna ride it inside Bangalore. Oh! So there's no engine check light, nothing, and auto sensor is also in place. Holy moly, I actually wanted to give you guys a lot of details, but I'm already enjoying it, so I'll talk later. When I actually started it inside the store, it wasn't that loud, but my god, I'm actually a little... those pops. You don't need to tune it to get pops. I'm also concerned about street dogs. What if they start chasing me? I'm sure they will start chasing me everywhere. It's just too loud. Do you hear that? Oh.